Balik, Sherlyn, balik!
Game! Oh. May tumawa.
Si Charlene nakataas ang ulo.
Game, ano, prayer meeting na. Official na.
Babalik na, babalik.
Oo. Game. Backward, ayan.
Taas ulo, be. Ang daya. Charlene! Yung ulo! Ang daya. Prayer meeting na. Ganyan lang. Diretso lang.
Oh, Friday na ulit, oh!
Dapat ka, wala kang nakikita.
Friday na ulit, oh! Friday na!
Charlene.
Sige na, ulitin natin.
Babalik na! Friday na ulit, oh!
Jenny, bilisan mo. Uber ko nandiyan na sa baba.
Hoy, sige na.
Sige na. O, diretso. Diretso na, Arad. Galing mo left. Charlene. Malapit na.
Jam! Isang cup na lang!
Backward ulit.
Ate Charlene.
Backward. Saka.
Backward ulit.
Ganyan ka. Ganyan yan.
Backward ulit.
Kasi na ano, na-start na kayo eh.
Backward ulit.
Yan na, last.
Ang galing.
Nothing in all the world I need. Now you're here beside me.
Okay, yes.
Here beside me. So you could give me wings to fly.
Okay, tanggal na.
Touch me if I fall and pull the stars down from the sky. So I can wish on them all. I couldn't ask for more. Your love is the greatest gift of all. Your love is the greatest gift of all.
Dapat ang baso.
In your arms, I found the strength inside me. In your eyes, there's a light to guide me.
Si Jem Jem!
Lost
Ay, bakit si Jem Jem?
Wait, konti.
You could offer me the sun, the moon.
Nauna ka bang umiyak kay Michael, ah?
know that we are founded by the love of Jesus. And as he said in word, He first loved us. That's why I am able to love Him. The moment na nag-desire ako sa Lord na, Lord, I'm ready to have a family. And I asked God, Lord, sino po yung suitable partner? That night, God answered me and He showed me. It's very clear, nakafocus, parang yung focus.
Mainit.
Nasa ating spotlight. Nandun tayo sa Abang More that day. Yung alam mo yung focus ng camera, tayo na yung nandun dalawa, pero alam mo ko nandun tayo sa church ng Abang. And kaya doon ako nag-start na i-pursue ka. Kasi dati wala naman sa plano ko talagang karoon ng yung ikasal, na bumuo ng family. Pero si God kasi yung naglagay sa puso ko yun. To have a family. And I couldn't see my future without Him. And I can say I do without Him. Sa pinakamaraming maling ginawa ko, ikaw ang ginawang tama ng Diyos. At alam ko, I am so ready. Sabi nga ng Lord, He has made everything beautiful in His time. And as He said in His word in Isaiah 60:22, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. I believe this is the right time. And this is my question, Mari. Will you spend the rest of my life in serving our God as well? Be the center of our future family. And I couldn't. Ay, kung yung ako natatanong. Miss Ana Marie de la Rama Arsolo. Will you marry me? Yes, I do. Oh, sabay-sabay! Your love is the greatest gift of all.
Nag-yes ka ba? Nanginginig ka. Nanginginig ka.
O yung mga umiyak, pag-briyak.
Yan.